Welcome to our video showcasing the top 11 best types of gardens. Whether you're a nature lover, a seasoned gardener, or just starting out, these gardens are sure to inspire you to create your own unique green space. We've got some inspiration for your next gardening project. 1. Formal gardens. Formal gardens are known for their symmetrical and geometric designs, with neatly trimmed hedges and immaculate flower beds. Two. Vegetable gardens. Vegetable gardens are perfect for those who want to grow their own fresh produce. They come in a variety of styles, from raised beds to traditional rows, and can be tailored to suit any space. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, a vegetable garden is a great way to connect with nature and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Three. Tropical gardens. Tropical gardens are characterized by their lush foliage, colorful blooms, and exotic plants. These gardens often feature water features, such as ponds or streams, and may include a mix of palms, ferns, and other tropical plants. If you're looking to create a tropical paradise in your own backyard, a tropical garden is the perfect choice. Four. Mediterranean gardens. Mediterranean gardens are inspired by the landscapes near the Mediterranean Sea. These gardens often feature drought-tolerant plants, such as lavender and rosemary, and may include elements such as stone walls, terraces, and pergolas. Five. Rock gardens. Rock gardens are a great option for those who want to create a natural-looking landscape with minimal maintenance. These gardens often feature rocks of various sizes, shapes, and colors, as well as drought-tolerant plants such as succulents and cacti. With a little creativity, you can transform a rocky area into a stunning garden that's both beautiful and easy to care for. 6. Zarified Gardens. Zarified gardens are designed to thrive in dry, arid climates. These gardens often feature plants that are adapted to drought conditions, such as cacti and succulents. They may also include elements such as rocks, sand, and gravel, which help to retain moisture and create a natural-looking landscape. If you live in a desert or other dry climate, a zarified garden is a great option for creating a beautiful outdoor space. 7. Greenhouse gardens. Greenhouse gardens are perfect for those who want to grow plants year-round, regardless of the weather outside. These gardens are typically enclosed structures that allow you to control the temperature, humidity, and other growing conditions. Whether you want to grow vegetables, flowers, or tropical plants, a greenhouse garden gives you the flexibility to create your own perfect growing environment. 8. English gardens. English gardens are known for their romantic, naturalistic style, with meandering paths, colorful borders, and a mix of flowers, shrubs, and trees. These gardens often feature elements such as ponds, arbors, and rustic benches, which add to their charm and character. If you're looking to create a garden that's both beautiful and relaxing, an English garden is a great choice. 9. Rooftop gardens. Rooftop gardens are a great option for those who want to make the most of limited outdoor space. These gardens can be created on rooftops, balconies, or other elevated areas, and often feature container gardens and other vertical growing techniques. With a little creativity, you can transform your rooftop into green space. They also have the added benefit of helping to insulate your home, reducing energy consumption and costs. (10) Zen Gardens. Zen Gardens are designed to create a sense of tranquility and inner peace. These gardens feature carefully raked sand, rocks, and other elements arranged in a minimalist way to create a calming atmosphere. They are perfect for those who want to create a meditation or relaxation space in their backyard. Zen Gardens provide a peaceful and meditative space for reflection and relaxation. They're perfect for those who want to escape the chaos of daily life and find a moment of calm. (11) Wall gardens. Wall gardens are a great way to maximize your growing space. They're perfect for those who have limited outdoor space, as they can be installed on a wall or fence. They can be designed with a variety of plants, from herbs and vegetables to flowers and succulents. They're also a great way to add a unique and eye-catching feature to your backyard. Wall gardens are a great way to add a touch of greenery to any space, no matter how small. Plus, they're easy to maintain and can be customized to fit any design aesthetic. So, there you have it, the top 11 best types of gardens. Whether you're looking to create a peaceful retreat or grow your own produce, there's a garden style for everyone. Which garden style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening content. Thank you for watching.